Greetings, logistics enthusiasts. Today, let's embark on a journey into the future of decision-making. Data-driven decision-making in logistics, a Lean Six Sigma perspective. Join me as we explore how the marriage of data and Lean Six Sigma transforms decision-making in the intricate world of logistics. The power of data unleashed. Imagine data as a powerful ally in logistics. Lean Six Sigma unleashes this power, creating a synergy where each data point contributes to informed decision-making, optimized processes, and an efficient supply chain. Precision in every data analysis. In the realm of precision, Lean Six Sigma becomes the guardian of accurate data analysis. It's not just about having data, it's about dissecting it strategically, identifying patterns, and ensuring that each analytical decision aligns with the overarching goal of improving logistics efficiency. Agile adaptability for dynamic insights. Agility is the essence of dynamic logistics insights. Lean Six Sigma seamlessly integrates with agile methodologies, fostering an adaptable approach that responds to real-time data, market changes, and ensures that decisions remain proactive and strategic, navigating the landscape of data-driven logistics. As our guiding compass, Lean Six Sigma navigates the landscape of data-driven logistics. It directs each strategic move, ensuring that data-driven decisions are not just a tool, but a philosophy embedded in every aspect of logistics, resulting in a synchronized and data-empowered supply chain. To the logistics innovators, your commitment to data-driven decision-making with Lean Six Sigma is commendable. If the concept resonates with you, share your insights, hit the like button, and let's continue fostering a logistics environment that thrives on the precision of data-driven excellence. Stay tuned for more insights into the realm of lean excellence.